I don't know. Okay, so this is the overall kind of thought, if you will. So we've created all of our 45s, and then they are not perfect by any means, but we got to get everything sanded, kind of squared up, maybe redo the routed edges. Still thinking about stain or paint on it, and then also what are we using this for? Like our name or for a business sign? I have plenty of things to make for sure, but overall, I think this is going to turn out good. So I think what I'm going to do too is, instead of worrying about these tiny little triangles to finish things off, especially down here since there's not equal space, again, we're just using scrap that was left around, so we're not going for exact dimensions, but I think what we're going to do is just come straight into the crevice here, find us a straight edge and go off of that, and we'll use the circular saw to get everything cut when we get to that point. But for right now, this is where we're at. So now we need to figure out our next steps. Yippee! Okay, now we got a 120 disc with the little foam piece on it too, so we can knock this down from that 60. I'm just diving right into it, so let's get all this junk taken care of. Sanding sucks, especially with the heaviness of this vacuum, but it's okay. We're gonna get it done. I'm gonna do this so you don't have to be bored. So here is our top row sanded to the 120.